Kevin O'Leary on Bitcoin price. Kevin O'Leary said that Bitcoin won't hit $300,000 until wealth and pension funds start to use it more and more. Please like this video and subscribe. Bitcoin's value will rise when U.S. regulators clear up rules about cryptocurrencies, he said. O'Leary said that institutions should put 1% to 3% of their portfolios into Bitcoin. Shark Tank investor Kevin O'Leary said that Bitcoin won't double or triple in price anytime soon, so don't expect that to happen soon. People who talk about Bitcoin going to $100,000, $200,000, $300,000. It will happen when institutions can finally buy it. This is what he said in an interview on Wednesday with Stansberry Research. At some point in the next 2 to 3 years, the U.S. government will rule on cryptocurrencies. President Joe Biden's administration is reportedly going to sign an executive order next week that tells federal agencies to make sure that cryptocurrencies are properly regulated. Many people who like crypto think that regulation is good, as long as it allows people to operate more or less freely and confidently under a clear set of rules that takes into account important issues. Some well-known financial institutions, like BlackRock, Goldman Sachs, and JP Morgan, have added or expanded their offerings for crypto. But there hasn't been a lot of clarity about how the rules work so far. O'Leary said this phase of unclear regulations will come to an end at some point. O'Leary, as soon as that happens, if I were running a sovereign fund or a pension plan, I'd allocate to it about 1% to 3%. I want to be long Bitcoin when that happens. If you look up the Canadian businessman, you can see that he has Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the stablecoin USD coin. He has said in the past that he doesn't have a lot of money in crypto, but his operating company now has 10.7% of his money. It doesn't matter what people say about Bitcoin because I work with sovereign wealth funds, pension plans, and the indexing business, he said. For all the hype, none of those institutions own a single Bitcoin. In other words, they won't do it until their compliance departments let them check off the boxes for ESG, environmental, social, and governance mandates, and the asset class itself is also in compliance. It will be a lot more valuable when they get that go-ahead, he said. Last Friday, Bitcoin was trading at $40,329. It was down 5.6% from its all-time high of $69,000 set in November. CoinGecko data shows that it has lost about 40% since then.